ごめんね。
It all kind of just started with me having to do my own work. I was just trying to, get my own projects done without having to rely on other people and wait, and that's how this whole fabrication thing kind of started, doing my own work. It's probably been about 6 years that I've been TIG welding and, fabricating everything myself. Kind of started maybe a few years before that, but it was probably about 6 years that I've been seriously fabricating. Every morning went into work about an hour early to try to get as much time in as I could behind the torch, and it just got better and better and better, and to this day I still try to get better. I've always been into cars. My grandfather's been a big car nut, and my brothers too, not so much my father, but my grandfather was more of an antique car guy, so me growing up building Hondas was a little different. But it all started just for a need for speed, really, as corny as that might sound. My personal car is a 92 SC300. It's got a 1.5 JZ in it, fully built bottom end, billet mains, half filled, built head, BC cams. It's all in E85. Big single turbo. It's a Borg-Warner S482 billet wheel. It does a job. I can't complain. Made a 1136 last time on the dyno, and unfortunately it's all about kind of going faster and faster each year. So it's still building it to this day. It's great to see somebody as passionate as I am, and then see the reaction to the work that I do. Most people love it. I can't say I've really had to deal with many bad customers at all through this process. So it's nice to be able to see positive reactions and everyone being, and even just happy, and in the end of the day, they're letting me work on their car. A lot of people that's hard for. So for me, it's kind of an honor to do something like that for some people.